Hey guys, welcome back. So every once in a while, if you ever work on plumbing, we have to solder some pipes together, and just want to go over real quick how we go about doing that. As long as you have all the parts, it should be a pretty straightforward process. So we have some emery cloth to clean the joints, and if you don't do this often, I recommend just getting one of these all-in-one kits. And of course, hopefully you have a torch. Just one of these benzomatic torches will work. Doesn't have to be this particular model, but just makes things a little easier. So first thing we do is just clean up the workpiece. It doesn't have to be super clean, but cleaner we can get it, the better. All right. And then, oh look, it comes with it. Go ahead and apply some flux, so that way the copper will adhere better. Remember, if you're working on plumbing, which has to deal with potable water, make sure you get the flux without lead in it. All right. So just go ahead and apply generous amount. Inspect the joints to make sure there are no debris or issues. Just gotta break out the silver solder. Can you see it from there? Let me set it on something that's not plastic. Let's go for that end. Let's go to the other end. 2 solder joints. All right, hope this helps you. Good luck.